Okay, so for this particular 3D solid, we have our front view, our side view, and our plan or bird's eye view. So how do those look? Well, let's do our plan view first. If we look straight down from above, we're going to see this face and this face only. So it's one across and two along, so that's quite easy to draw. One across and two along. Now, the added detail is that these faces are not on the same level, so we have to indicate that. So let's indicate that with a line like that. Let's move on to our front view. So the front view, looking at it from here, which faces will I actually see? I'm going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 high and one out to the side here. So let's draw that. So I'm going to go 4 high. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I go 1 across. So let's go 1 across. I go 2 up. So let's go 2 up. I go 1 out. Yep. I go 1 up and 1 back. So I go 1 up and 1 back. Then I just, let's fix those a little bit, they're a bit wonky. So 1 up, 1 back, and then I just finish that off. Do I see anything else? No, that is the front view. And so now I'm free to do the side view. So let's do the side view. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 high, so it's 4 high with my side view. So let's draw 4 high, 1 across and 4 high, 2, 3, 4. And if you look very carefully, you will notice that there's a difference in face here. So it goes from these two, jumps out to this one. So the break is here, and then there's another break here as it falls back to here. So I've got to put these 2 lines in, and it's 1 down from the top. So I can go 1 down from the top. This bit here is this bit here. Okay, don't need that though, so take that out. And so I need to draw that break. So I'm going to do that right now. There you go. And that is complete.